Hello viewers. Welcome to my channel The Thirsty Pro. I am an IT professional and a certified project manager. This is the first lecture in the series of upcoming lectures on complete project management course. As there are series of videos coming soon, I advise you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you are notified when the new lectures are available. In this video we will understand the basics of project management and will give you overview about basic terminologies used in projects. Let's get started. Before we dig deep into project management, let's first understand what is a project. The official definition as per the Project Management Institute, which is the certification body for project management professionals, is: the project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create an unique product, service or result. The emphasis is on temporary and unique. To better understand, let's bifurcate the definition. Let's talk about the first part of the definition that revolves around time. A project is a temporary endeavor. That means projects are always time-bound and should be completed within that time schedule. There are projects which are scheduled for multiple years, like building a bridge or a skyscraper, but they also have a time schedule associated with them. So to conclude, we can say every project should have a start date and an end date. No project can be forever or for an undefined time. The second part of definition talks about the nature and type of the output from an project. To create an unique. That means the project output should not be in existence earlier or should not be similar to already existing. If we are making or creating something which is already existing is a repetitive task and can't be categorized as an project. For example, manufacturing of cars in production line can't be project because all cars are being made with the similar design and specification. But designing a new model of a car first time is categorized as a project because it is an unique outcome, that is, a new variant or model of a car. Also, I would like to mention here that the output can be tangible or intangible. To have more clarity on how projects are different from operations or routine tasks, let's first understand what are operations activity. Unlike projects that have a finite time span, operations are ongoing and repetitive. In other words, operational work produces the same thing again and again. Let's understand with a very simple example. Making a new house is categorized as a project because we are creating a unique new house on a piece of land. On the other hand, the regular cleaning of the same house is categorized as operations because the outcome is not unique and it has to be done repetitively, or you can say daily. Let's see some more examples of project and operations activity to have a further deeper understanding. Building a new school building is a project. On the other hand, having regular classes in the same building is an operations. Similarly, building a new cargo ship is a project, whereas using the same cargo ship for regular transportation of goods is an operations. Also, building a new kitchen in your house is a project, but daily cooking activity in the same kitchen will be categorized as an operations. Hope these examples may have helped you in clearly distinguish between project and operations. Now we can move further to project management. Till now we have understood what is a project. Now let's see what is project management. As per the definition of Project Management Institute, project management is the practice of using knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to complete a series of tasks to deliver value and achieve a desired outcome. To elaborate, we can say that project management is a framework of methods, knowledge, standards and principles which allows project managers to successfully accomplish the project objectives. Project management has defined guidelines which help during the project life cycle. You might have heard financial management, business management or warehouse management. They all mean managing finance, business or warehouse respectively with the help of defined processes and best practices explained in their management guidebooks. Similarly, project management is a practice of managing a project within the framework defined by Project Management Guidebook. So now we came to the topic for whom the PMP certification is all about, that is, a project manager. As per Project Management Institute, project manager is the person assigned by the performing organization to lead the team that is responsible for achieving the project objectives. We can say that project managers play the lead role in planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing out projects. They are accountable for the entire project scope, the project team and resources, the project budget, and the success or failure of the project. To conclude in one sentence, project manager is the overall in charge of the project and is responsible to take the project to the conclusion. Let's look at some important terms related to project management. PMI. It is known as Project Management Institute. PMI is a body of professionals that empower professionals to excel in project management practices through developing new standards, knowledge sharing, and best-in-class certifications. PMBOK. It is known as Project Management Body of Knowledge. PMBOK is a set of standard terminology and guidelines for project management. The body of knowledge evolves over time and is presented in a form of book that is called a PMBOK guide. Its latest edition, which is a 7th edition, was released in 2021. PMO. It is known as Project Management Office. PMO is a department within an organization that defines and maintains standards for project management within the organization. PMP. It is known as Project Management Professional Certification. PMP certification is an acclaimed industry-recognized certification for project managers. Then comes Project Life Cycle. All projects have a beginning and an end. They go through the same cycle of initiation, planning, and execution. Projects are temporary efforts, born to create value, and when that value has been delivered, the project ceases to be. This cycle of project birth, maturity, and closure is known as the project life cycle or project management life cycle. Next is project stakeholders. Project stakeholders are persons or entities who have an interest in a given project. According to the Project Management Institute, PMI, the term project stakeholder refers to an individual, group, or organization who may affect, be affected by, or perceive itself to be affected by a decision, activity, or outcome of a project. The next one is project owner. A project owner is a person or group responsible for initiating, funding, and overseeing a project. They are the key stakeholder who defines the project's scope, objectives, and requirements. And then is project sponsor. Project sponsors are senior member of the organization who are responsible for project's outcome. They are responsible for the overall success of the project, and they typically define and ensure the project's success. Depending on the project, a sponsor will also frequently act as a mentor to the project manager. Now let's talk about important aspect of project management, that is, program management. A program is a group of related projects managed in a coordinated manner to obtain benefits not available from managing them individually. Program management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools and techniques to meet program requirements. In simple words, we can say a program is a coordinated group of projects that are managed and controlled by a program manager. Now let's also understand about portfolio management. Project portfolio management is fundamentally different from project and program management. Project and program management are about execution, delivery, and doing projects in right manner. In contrast, project portfolio management focuses on doing the right projects at the right time by selecting and managing projects as a portfolio of investments. Good portfolio management increases business value by aligning projects with an organization's strategic direction, making the best use of limited resources, and building synergies between projects. We can say that project portfolio management is a funnel that connects strategic planning to the execution of projects, making the strategic objectives executable. To conclude and to better understand the purpose and objective of project, program, and portfolio management, we can say that project management helps in doing the project in a right way, whereas program management helps in doing the project together to take maximum benefits from collaboration. Finally, portfolio management helps in selecting and executing the right projects that are aligned with organizations' strategic objectives. Next in the row is project phases. Let's see what is a project phase. A phase is a collection of logically related project activities that culminates in the completion of one or more deliverables. The number of the phases depends on the industry type and size and the complexity of the project. According to the PMBOK guide, a project management life cycle consists of 5 distinct phases including initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure that combine to turn a project idea into a working product. Next term that we need to familiar with is deliverables. A deliverable refers to any item that is produced as a result of a project or phase. Deliverables can take many forms, from physical products to online documents, reports, or software applications. Let's understand the correlation of phase, deliverables, and project output with a flow diagram. At first comes the project. The project consists of different phases which clearly defines project activities. Each phase has its own deliverables. When these deliverables are achieved, we define the phase as complete. Combination of all the deliverables becomes the project output, which makes the project complete. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel for more videos. Do subscribe, share and like my channel, The Thirsty Pro. Wish you all a happy learning. Thank you.